how to withdraw crypto from Gate.io to another wallet or exchange. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Gate.io to another wallet or exchange. For example, this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Gate.io to another wallet. So firstly, you want to go to Assets in the top right, and then click on Spot Account, Deposit and Withdraw. On the next screen, you want to press Withdraw in the top right. And now on the next screen in the top drop down, you want to pick the crypto that you plan to withdraw. For this example, I'm going to pick USDT. Below this, as I am sending this to another wallet, I want to make sure this is set to on-chain. Now you will need the wallet address and network of where you want to send your crypto to, and you will get this from your other wallet or exchange. In this example, I'm going to transfer my crypto to Bybit, but generally speaking, you can find the wallet address of where you are transferring your crypto to by going to the other exchange and looking for the words deposit or deposit crypto. If you want a tutorial explaining how to find a wallet address for a specific exchange that you may be using, then I recommend checking out my channel, as I have videos explaining how to find wallet addresses on lots of different exchanges. So now I'm over on Bybit and I'm in the deposit crypto section. In the top drop down, you want to pick the crypto that you want to deposit. So in my case, USDT. To get your wallet address on Bybit, you need to pick the network that you plan to send your crypto over. If we flip back to Gate.io for a second, you can see all the networks that Gate.io can send USDT on, along with associated fees and estimated arrival times. I'm going to pick one of the cheaper but faster networks, which is Arbitrum1, and I'm going to go back to Bybit and check they can receive USDT on Arbitrum1, which they can. So now I have picked the network. Bybit has given me my wallet address for this specific crypto and network. Wallet addresses will vary if you change either your cryptocurrency or network, and it's critical to pick the correct corresponding wallet address and network when transferring crypto, otherwise you risk losing your funds. I'm going to copy my wallet address from Bybit, and it's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. So now I'm back on Gate.io. I'm going to paste my wallet address in and then make sure the network is set to Arbitrum1. Below this, you can now key in the amount you want to send, or to send your balance of this specific crypto, you can press all, which I'm going to do here. And now you can see any associated fees with this, and there is a transaction fee of 0.5 USDT. And the amount received at my other wallet will be 11.5 USDT. Once you're happy with this, you can press withdrawal, and you will get the chance to review this transaction. It's always worth reviewing the crypto network and other details before sending. And in addition to this, if it's your first time transferring to a wallet, then it's always worth sending a small test amount of crypto first, because if you key in the details wrong, then you will lose your funds. Once you're happy with everything, you can press confirm. And depending on your security settings, you will need to supply MFA details. And once you're happy with this, you can press confirm. And then after a period of time, as denoted by the network you picked earlier, your crypto should turn up on your other wallet. Please be aware that sometimes some crypto networks suffer from congestion, so the time suggestion is an estimate. For those looking for new exchanges, I have put links of the ones I use down in the description below, where some of them have deposit bonuses, and I may get a kickback if you sign up using them, which massively helps support this channel, and I'll be forever thankful. So anyway, that is how to withdraw crypto from Gate.io to another wallet or exchange. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.